Hi friend, come back in this lecture, and here we have already seen some formulas for the hyperbolic function, and now this is the new concept start from this article. Separate real part and imaginary part. Real part is already seen without I, and imaginary part means with I. So separate real part and imaginary part of the these trigonometric from these trigonometric functions. That functions are cos x plus iy. The second is sin x plus iy. Third is tan x plus iy. Fourth is cosec x plus iy plus or minus. So we take here first cos x plus iy is equal to, apply here cos a plus b formula, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So this is the cos a cos x cos iy minus sin x sin iy, and this is the minus symbol, here plus here minus. So cos x plus iy is equal to cos x, and this is the value cos iy is equal to cos hyperbolic y. Cos iy is equal to cos hyperbolic y. This is already seen here. And here I, this is the sin x, and sin iy means I sin hyperbolic y. So comparing real part and imaginary part, first are real parts means this is the real parts cos x cos hyperbolic y, and imaginary part sin x sin hyperbolic y. So these are the separation. Yeah, this is the separation. Now second, sin x plus iy, again apply sin a plus b formula, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b formula here. So this is the sin x cos hyperbolic iy plus sin a cos x sin hyperbolic iy, sin iy. This is the change, sin x change into cos x change into cos hyperbolic. So sin x cos hyperbolic y, this is the value of cos iy, and this is the value of sin iy means I sin hyperbolic y. So this is the I. Again separate. This is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Real parts is x plus iy sin x cos hyperbolic y, and here cos x sin hyperbolic y. These are the again separation of sin x plus iy. Now this is the important separation. Separate x plus imaginary and real and imaginary part from tan x plus iy. So tan x convert into sin upon cos. This is the sin x plus iy upon cos x plus iy. Again, now rationalization. This is the cos sin x plus iy multiplied by cos x minus iy, and cos x plus iy multiplying by cos x minus iy. Here multiplying by 2, divide by 2. So this is the trigonometric formula. In numerator and denominator also trigonometric formula apply here. So this is the sin cos means sin a plus b, sin a minus b, and here cos cos a plus b, cos a minus b. So here this is the sin x plus iy plus x minus iy plus sin x plus iy minus x minus iy. This formula apply here. Now after solving we obtain sin twice x plus twice sin iy, and this is the cos twice x plus cos twice iy. So this is the sin twice x plus convert into hyperbolic. So this is the sin hyperbolic twice y, I sin, and here again cos twice x plus cos hyperbolic twice y. Now separate first part upon denominator, second part upon denominator. This is the first part upon denominator, and this is the second part upon denominator. Means the real part is first part sin twice x upon cos twice x plus cos twice y, and the imaginary part is sin twice y, sin hyperbolic twice y upon cos 2y twice x plus cos hyperbolic twice y. These are the separation. Means this is separation of tan x plus iy into real part and imaginary part. This is the another method. This method is most important. Let tan x plus iy is is equal to a plus ib, complex number, and their conjugate 10x minus iy is equal to a minus ib. Now adding and subtracting. So adding left hand right hand side means twice a first part plus second part means ib cancel. We have here 2x. This is the 10x plus iy and 10x minus iy. And now subtracting, twice ib is equal to 10x plus iy minus 10x minus iy. So we take first part twice a. This is the twice a. 10 convert into sine upon cos. This is the sine x plus iy upon cos x plus iy. This is the sine a plus 10x minus iy upon cos x minus iy, this part x minus iy. Now taking LCM, after taking LCM, this is the sin a cos b plus cos a sin b formula apply here, and in denominator cos a plus iy and cos a minus iy. So here numerator convert into sin a plus b formula. This is the sin a plus iy plus x plus iy plus x minus iy is equal to, and solve, this is the 2 sin twice x upon, in denominator this is the multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. So this is the cos a cos b formula here. So this is the cos a plus b, cos a minus b formula apply. So this is cos twice x plus cos twice iy upon 2. This is the, and 2 multiplied here. So this is solution, twice sin twice x upon cos twice x plus cos hyperbolic twice a. This is equal to twice a. So a is equal to sin twice x upon cos twice x plus cos hyperbolic twice a. Look here, this is the real part and b is the imaginary part. So our real part is a sin twice x upon cos twice x plus cos hyperbolic twice y. This type. This is the sin twice x upon cos twice x plus cos hyperbolic twice y. This is the real part. And now subtracting real imaginary for imaginary part. This is the twice ib is equal to, this is the subtracting. Again same formula apply here. This sin x plus iy, here minus only. And again same formula. This is the sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Here minus formula apply here. X cancel. So this type. Again denominator process is same. So multiplying by 2, divide by 2. After multiplying by 2, this part convert into trigonometric function formula. So our trigonometric formula is, after solving, cos twice x plus cos twice iy upon 2, and this 2 multiplying here. So this is the sin twice iy upon cos twice x plus cos hyperbolic twice y, and this is twice iy convert into hyperbolic. So this is the I sin hyperbolic twice y upon cos twice x upon cos hyperbolic twice y, and b here again. This b is the imaginary part. So our imaginary part is b is equal to sin twice y hyperbolic twice y upon cos twice x plus cos hyperbolic twice y. This type. These are the, again, this is the second method, and second method is most important method. Next, d part, sec x plus iy. Sec convert into 1 upon cos x plus iy. Now here rationalization. This is multiplying by cos x minus iy and divide by cos x minus iy, and multiplying here. For why multiplying 2 and divide by 2? The in denominator, this is the trigonometric conversion. So this is again twice, here formula apply, cos a minus b formula, cos a cos b minus plus sin a sin b formula, and denominator multiplying by 2. So this is the cos twice x, cos a plus b, cos a minus plus cos a minus b. So this is the cos twice x, cos twice iy, and this is cos twice iy converted into hyperbolic, and here 2 cos x iy cos iy converted into hyperbolic, and sin iy converted into hyperbolic, means this is I. So now separate. This is the first part upon denominator, second part upon denominator. First part upon denominator, this is the twice cos x cos hyperbolic y upon cos 2x plus cos twice hyperbolic y. This is the real part, and I into twice sin x sin hyperbolic y upon cos twice x plus cos hyperbolic twice y. This is the imaginary part. So this type, these are the separation of given functions: cos x plus iy, sin x plus iy, 10x plus iy, sec x plus iy. These are the separations. Now this is the again separate into real part and imaginary part. Here we take hyperbolic function. In previous, these are the simple trigonometric functions, circular functions, and these are the hyperbolic functions, and separate real part and imaginary part. Again, this is the cos hyperbolic, and x plus iy, and tan hyperbolic x plus iy. So solution A, cos x plus iy is equal to, again simple formula apply. This is a cos hyperbolic converted into ix formula. So cos I into x plus iy, multiplying I, this is the ix minus y, and rearrange this. Open this, cos A minus B formula, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A means cos ix, cos y plus sin ix sin y. Again ix converted into hyperbolic. So this is the ix converted into hyperbolic, cos hyperbolic x cos y plus I sin hyperbolic x sin y. So first is real part and second is imaginary part of the cos hyperbolic x plus iy. Now again tan x plus iy, this is the tan converted into tan hyperbolic converted into, again sin upon cos formula. This is the sin x plus iy upon cos x plus iy. Now this is the another method apply here. So here this cos hyperbolic converted into iy. So this is the cos sin I x plus iy, I x plus iy. So this is the 1 upon I. Hyperbolic convert, this is the 1 upon I. This formula is given in previous lecture. Cos hyperbolic this is the cos hyperbolic, sin hyperbolic. Sin hyperbolic z is equal to sin iz upon I. This 1 upon I present here. This is the 1 upon I. This is the 1 upon I. Sin I x plus iy. So this is the white we take here minus I square. I square means minus 1 minus plus. So plus, this 1 can be written is the minus I square upon I. I cancels. This type we obtained here minus I sin ix minus y. This is the ix, I into I square means minus 1, and this is the another. Here 1 can be written as minus I square. So minus into I square, I cancels. So this is the minus I present here. In denominator multiplying here ix cos ix, I again I square means minus 1, ix minus y. So this is the minus I multiplying by 2, divide by 2, and rationalization. This is the rationalization. So minus 2, this is the I is present here, and sin ix, this is the sin ix minus y, and after rationalization cos, this is the minus ix minus y, minus ix minus iy multiplying, and cos minus ix minus y divide. This is the again trigonometric form. So this is minus I, 2 can to apply in the formula. So this is the minus I multiplying here. This is the sin a plus b and sin a minus b, cos a plus b, cos a minus b formula apply here. Sin minus twice y plus sin twice ix upon cos minus twice y plus cos twice ix is equal to minus I. Sin minus theta means minus sin theta. So this is the minus twice y plus I sin, convert into hyperbolic. This is the I hyperbolic twice x upon cos minus theta means cos theta. So cos twice y plus cos hyperbolic twice x. Now separate into first part upon denominator, second part upon denominator, and this minus I multiplying in numerator. So this is the minus I minus plus. This is the I sin y, and this is the minus I square minus plus. This is the sin twice x upon cos twice y plus cos hyperbolic twice y, right in the first place. So without I, this is sin hyperbolic twice x. Here look again, minus I Here minus I into I square. I square means minus 1, minus minus plus. So this is the real part. Sin hyperbolic twice x upon cos twice y upon cos hyperbolic twice x plus I sin, this is minus minus plus I sin twice y upon cos twice y plus cos hyperbolic twice x. This is the imaginary part. This type imaginary part, real part and imaginary part of tan hyperbolic x plus iy is sin hyperbolic twice x upon cos hyperbolic twice y plus cos hyperbolic twice x, sin hyperbolic twice x upon cos twice y plus cos hyperbolic twice x, and this is the imaginary part, sin twice x upon cos twice x plus cos hyperbolic twice cos twice y plus cos hyperbolic twice x. Again, next example, if tan x plus iy is equal to I, where x and y are real, then prove that x is indeterminate and y is infinite. So this is again this example for the purpose of objective type. Tan x plus iy is equal to I, their conjugate is x, tan x minus iy is equal to minus I. So tan twice x is equal to, we can write tan twice x is equal to x plus iy, x minus iy. So apply here tan a plus b formula. Tan a plus b means tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b formula. So this is the tan a x plus iy, tan x minus iy upon 1 minus tan x tan a into tan b means tan x plus iy, tan x minus iy. So this is the value of first part, I plus minus I, and this is minus I into I, minus minus plus, this is the plus I square minus 1, 1 1 0, 0 upon 0 are the indeterminate. So first proof is complete, x is indeterminate. So this type, this x is indeterminate. And second, sin twice iy is equal to tan a minus b formula apply here. After tan a minus b formula apply, this is the tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. So this is again substitute the value, we have tan twice I upon 1 minus I square. So this is I. This is converted into hyperbolic. So after hyper conversion, I tan hyperbolic twice y is equal to I cancel. So tan hyperbolic twice y is equal to 1, and substitute the value of tan hyperbolic twice y. This is in E form. So this is the e raised to the power twice y minus e raised to the power minus twice y upon e raised to the power twice y plus e raised to the power minus twice y is equal to 1 upon 1. After component and dividend rule, so this is the 2 e raised to the power twice y upon twice e raised to the power minus twice y, 1 plus 1 upon 1 minus 1, and 2 upon 0 means infinity. So the value of y is again infinity. So second result is again over y is infinity. So this type, this y is infinity. Next example, if tan a plus ib is equal to x plus iy complex number, then prove that tan twice a is equal to twice x upon 1 minus x. This is the important example. So again underline here, if tan a plus b is equal to complex number, prove that tan twice a is equal to twice x upon 1 minus x square minus y square, and tan hyperbolic twice b is equal to twice y upon 1 plus x square plus y square. So yeah, or x square plus y square plus twice x cot 2y is equal to 1, and x square plus y square minus twice y cot hyperbolic twice b plus 1 is equal to 0. These are the, this is the or. Now solution, we have here tan a plus ib is equal to complex number x plus iy, and their conjugate tan a minus ib is equal to x minus iy. Again we have seen in second method, so that second method apply here. Tan twice a is equal to, we can write tan twice a is equal to tan a plus ib plus tan a minus ib. Here tan a plus b formula again apply here, tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Substitute the value of tan a plus b, tan a plus b, a plus ib is equal to this x plus iy, and here minus x minus iy upon 1 minus x plus iy into x minus iy. So this is the twice x, iy cancel, twice x upon 1 minus, this is the a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square convert into x square plus y square. So this is the 1 minus x square minus y square. This is the twice x square, twice x upon 1 minus x square minus y square. So first is complete here. Now cross multiplication. This is the cross multiplication. This is the 1 upon cot 2a. 10 2a means 1 upon cot 2a, and this is the change. After cross multiplication, we obtain 1 minus x square minus y square is equal to twice x cot twice a, and after solving x square plus y square plus twice x cot 2y is equal to 1. 2y is equal to 1. So this is the second result. Next is similarly, again we can write 10 twice ib is equal to 10 a plus b minus 10a minus b formula. Again apply here, substitute the value. This is the convert into hyperbolic I10 hyperbolic twice b x plus iy minus x minus iy. Here x cancel, twice iy upon 1 plus again a plus b minus b formula x square plus y square. So 10 I cancel, this I and this I cancel. 10 hyperbolic twice b is equal to twice y upon 1 plus x square y square, and after solving we obtain x square plus y square minus twice x square plus y square minus twice y cot twice b hyperbolic twice b plus 1 is equal to 0. This type our result is complete here. Second result. This is the second. This second and second are same. First and first are same. This type our example is complete, and today's lecture is over.